Hello, my little smarty pantses. We are going to keep going with learning the letter N this week. We are going to do our N worksheet, okay? So I'll give you a second to get out your paper and your pencil and your coloring materials, and we'll get started. Okay, we know what to do. First thing on our paper is our name. Here we go. You must be getting so good at writing your name. I've seen some of your printing lately and I'm so proud of you. I'm so impressed. Okay, so here's our nest for the letter N, a nest. Remember on our hat, we drew some eggs in there, some bird eggs in the nest. Here. Let's get going on our printing. I'm gonna put our grass and fence and sky as always, because it really helps me remember how to properly print my letters. I hope it helps you remember too. Our sky, our fence, and our grass. Excellent. So, our uppercase N has 3 lines. Remember, we start at the top. It's a big line down, big sideways line down, and bounce straight up. Our lowercase n is a little line down, a curve on the fence, and a little line down. So this isn't a letter that goes into the dirt with the worms and the bugs, right? It stays on the grass, both the uppercase and the lowercase n. So let's practice. We start at the top, big line down, big sideways line down, and bounce straight back up, like you're on a trampoline. Now from our fence to our grass, little line down, come back to the top of your little line at the fence, do a little curve like the letter R, and then a little line down to make lowercase n. Big line down, back to the top, big sideways line down, and bounce back to the top. Little line down from our fence to our grass, little curve on our fence, and little line down. We have room for a couple more sets, a couple more pairs of ends. Big line down, big line down sideways, and bounce back up. Little line down from our fence to our grass, little curve on the fence, little line down. Last pair. Big line down, big line sideways down, and bounce back up. Little line from our fence to our grass down, little curve on our fence, little line down. Great job. Let's look at our pictures. Now, we have to listen very carefully and try to say these words the best that we can. M and N sound very much the same. So let's look closely at these words. Mop. Is that the N sound like nest? No, it's not. Nop. No way. Nest. There's a lowercase n and it makes the n sound. What about mitten? No, it's not knittin', it's mitten. What about nail? Nail. There's a lowercase n there. You bet, that's an N word. What about mouse? No way, it's not nouse. And last one, a nut. Look at that, lowercase n. That is an N word. Now that we have our words, we can cut them out, glue them on, and color them. Should we cut them into two piles again? Nut is one we want. We don't want mouse. Nail is one we want, not mitten. Nest, we want nest. And mop goes over there. Let's glue our pictures on. So I'm just gonna glue inside the squares because I know that's exactly where my glue needs to be. And then I can glue on my pictures. Good for you. We finished another letter activity. Letter N for nest.